We also have the software developer course. This is basically, I'm sure we know of the developers within the organizations, those guys who create the applications, you creating the websites. So the software developer is basically also using these technologies to build the future and futuristic applications. Some knowledge modules included in this course are computers and computing systems, just a basic understanding of that are within the organization. Right? You have your desktop and professional software to communicate and visualize information also. As part of it, automated web scraping and data sources is also part of the web developer, because you will need to be gathering information from various sources. Also logical thinking and basic calculations, computer theory, 4IR and future skills will always pop up in there as a knowledge module to make us be aware of the new technologies that we are dealing with in this day and age, and also design thinking principles and innovation. So basically your software developer will be dealing with various programming languages, your Python, R, and HTML, just honing in on those technologies, basically coding the various applications that can be useful to the organization.